Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the stock market is stumbling into the finish of the week, ending a 5-day winning streak, but overall it will finish up for the week, making this the third straight week of positive gains. And really the reason for the weakness is China and the government shutdown that doesn't seem to be ending anytime soon. And as we like to do on a Friday, we'll take a look at a weekly chart, and we'll start with the S&P 500. And as you can see, gaining about 2.3% on the week, trading at 2,591.23. And as you can see, that is the third straight week of wins for the S&P 500. However, currently chart analysis score remains negative 55 with a red monthly and a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still down, just coming under some weakness. Key level to watch should be 2,597.82. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Moving along to the dollar index, currently down about 0.6% on the week with a chart analysis score of negative 70, indicating that we are in a sidelines position, but the downtrend is starting to gain some strength. As you can see, this is a fourth straight week of declines for the US dollar. Key level to watch should be 97.11. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Much like the S&P 500, the Dow is having its third straight week of gains, looking to close out with a gain a little over 2%, currently trading at 23,946.78 with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term downtrend, but it is coming under some recent weakness. And key level to watch would be 24,014.78. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. The NASDAQ currently up right now about 3.3% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that we are in a sidelines mode on the NASDAQ. Currently trading at 6,970.03. Key level to watch would be 6,190.17. Move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for the NASDAQ. Crude oil coming under a little bit of pressure today with a sell-off that's really just some profit taking, I think, by traders, but having a second straight week of gains at almost 7%. And in fact, last week was at 7%. So pretty fantastic back-to-back weeks for crude oil. Chart analysis score is currently plus 60, indicating that the short-term trend is up for crude oil. However, the long-term trend is still down, as we haven't really made gains up above where we were trading at in the middle part of last year. Key level to watch would be 51.18. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Gold having a modest gain on the week, about 0.2% with a chart analysis score of plus 100, but that does mark 4 straight weeks of gains for gold. And key level to watch would be 1,287. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for a short-term time frame for gold. We'll wrap it up with Bitcoin, who suffered its biggest daily loss in about 7 weeks yesterday. As you can see, we'll go to a daily chart here just to show you. Right there, down almost 10% on the day. It was trying to break above 4,100 and trade up in that level before the bears took hold and drove it down lower. In fact, we'll turn on our simple moving average. They broke it back down below its 50-day moving average, so it's not really a great sign for Bitcoin moving forward. However, we have a chart analysis score of negative 65, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for Bitcoin, and it does remain above its 200-week moving average that's acting as a level of support, which currently stands at 3,235.33. So watch that level. A move below that level could be disastrous for Bitcoin moving forward. With that, every success. Hope you had a great week, and we'll be back next week with some market updates.